Canvas Accessibility Guide. The Accessibility Checker provides a course-level interface that provides instructors an overview of accessibility issues and guided tools for quick remediation. The tool detects common accessibility errors within the course. The Course Accessibility Checker scans pages, assignments, discussions, announcements, and syllabi for common accessibility errors, typically occurring in content created within the rich text editor. It does not scan new quizzes, videos, and uploaded files like PDFs or linked external content like Google Docs. It also doesn't scan for errors with interactivity and complex layouts created outside of the rich text editor. The accessibility tool is available and visible in the left-hand tool menu within the Canvas course. In course navigation, click the accessibility link, then click Scan Course in the blue rectangular box on the right side of the screen. The scan may take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on the size of the course. Once clicking Scan Course, the report will appear. Scroll down and all issues are visible. Scrolling back up, there is a search resource title bar. Users may simply type the title of content in the search bar, and that content only will populate. Xing out of that search so all issues are visible. There's also a filter resource field. By clicking on the arrow within filter resources field, users can filter resources by last edited, resource type, state, or with issues, and then one would click apply filters. Issue status and issue by type is visible. The central interface displays high-level information, including the total number of active issues in the course and a bar chart illustrating their distribution by issue type. It also lists scanned resources showing the number of issues found on each item. To fix issues, users can see the number of issues for each resource. For instance, the physics assignment, users would simply click on Fix button with the pencil icon. A wizard or display panel will launch from the right-hand side of the screen, and this allows users to resolve and remediate issues according to each issue. The wizard will display one issue at a time, showing the problem area and the issue description. Within the problem area field, users can open the page and be brought directly to that page, or users may click Edit Page, which will open up the Canvas page in edit mode, and users can make the necessary changes directly within those pages. But do not forget to scroll down and select Save. Or within the Display Wizard, users may select Reformat, and Canvas will automatically reformat that content within the page. However, do not forget to click Save and Next in the blue rectangle box to continue. The option also exists to skip at the bottom left-hand side of the page. So selecting Save and Next. And notice when remediating and after selecting Save and Next, the number of issues within that resource field on the left next to the pencil icon will reduce in number. Closing out of the Display Wizard. This Canvas accessibility tool checks for other accessibility issues such as adjacent links, heading paragraphs, image alt text, image alt file name, image alt length, large text contrast lists, sequential headings, and more. For instance, small text contrast, table captions, table header scope, and table headers. Let's remediate another issue. For instance, when clicking on the Fix pencil icon for course syllabus, the wizard display panel appears from the right side of the screen. And the issue description here is that the alt text is just a file name, and the user is being prompted to replace it with a description that tells users who can't see or load the image what it's meant to convey. Users may also select this image is decorative box. This will allow screen readers to skip purely decorative images. However, deselecting lets enter a more descriptive file name in the alt text box. And then click Apply in the blue rectangle. Users may then click Save and Next. However, don't forget that this may be opened directly within the Canvas page by clicking Open Page, or users are able to make the adjustments within Edit Page, which will bring users directly to that Canvas page. Clicking on Save and Next, and closing out of the wizard. Another detected issue would be a misformatted list. Issues were detected with Sunny Spring number 1. Click Fix the pencil icon. The wizard display panel appears. Users may open the page or edit the page directly. However, the option also exists under Issue Description to click on Reformat within the blue rectangle, and Canvas will reformat this accessibility issue directly for the user. Do not forget to click Save and Next. Closing out of the Display Wizard panel, another detected issue would be Generate Table Caption. For instance, when clicking on Fix the pencil icon for the Discussion Reflections assignment and reading Issue Description, the table headers are not set up properly. So, users may do so by opening the page or editing the page within Canvas, or scrolling down. Users are prompted to select which part of the table heading they'd like to adjust, or click Set Headings in the blue rectangle box, and Canvas will do this automatically. Do not forget to click Save and Next. And closing out of the wizard display panel. Please note the Course Accessibility Checker cannot scan courses with more than 1,000 pages and assignments in total. Once a course has been scanned, the tool automatically scans new and edited resources. If the page is rolled back to a previous version in the version history, the remediation progress will be lost. We recommend updating the report after fixing errors. As mentioned, the Accessibility Checker is a course-level interface that provides users with a quick overview of accessibility issues and guided tools for the quick remediation. While the built-in Accessibility Checker detects common accessibility errors within pages, discussions, assignments, and announcements, and the syllabus, some users have commented that the tool does not always provide clear guidance. Please visit Stanford's Office of Digital Accessibility, SOTA, and review their recommendations using the Instructor Accessibility Guide instead. For a more detailed accessibility guide to remediate errors within the rich content editor, please utilize Instructor Accessibility Guide. If the coursework entails scanned PDFs, please utilize Scribe. There are video tutorials and additional resources for both tools, Scribe and the Instructor Accessibility Guide, at gocanvas.stanford.edu. Navigate to the Video Tutorials tab, filter according to accessibility, and the resources and tutorials will be visible. For questions, please submit a ticket to canvashelp@stanford.edu.